Yianos, I'm not sure exactly how we should see the price of oil in 2019, given that it's kind of this political alliance between Saudi and Russia, which we don't even know if it will hold.
So I guess we're really venturing into the unknown unknowns and unpredictable edges of the market here. But listen, both I think I don't remember which one of the regional Feds, but also ourselves have a model in terms of trying to see what are the major drivers here, at least exposed in terms of the market prices. And it appears that supply has been probably the dominant one. To some extent, I think, as I mentioned before, China and its ripple impacts to the rest of the world in Q3 might have played also a role, so it's not insignificant, the demand factor. But I would say probably we have to start with supply. So if the supply response becomes more definitive, the market embraces exactly what the OPEC is trying to communicate here, I think things are manageable in the sense that this is a fixable situation. I don't think we are being driven by some sort of a negative gap in demand that's going to take some time to fix. Quite the contrary, I think demand will be, even if you are in the very last phase of the cycle, if you think about it, commodities do well in that phase. So I think risk reward, we should be thinking about a bounce here, but it is the market has to embrace, and they need something more definitive. And maybe winter will help. Maybe a tougher winter in January might be the thing that we need.
Yianos, if I look at oil, it's all about OPEC, but it's about Russia as well. Is Russia a new member of OPEC?
Well, I think de facto yes, in the sense that they have aligned interests at this stage, and I think that's the good news. Do they have the capacity to take us all the way to the close to the highs that we experienced this year? Very unlikely, at least in the near term. But I think that if anything, we've been getting significant information here that there is coordination, and that's, I think, good news for us to have some sort of a relief stability here.